What is one mistake you see sellers repeatedly making during product launches? The mistake that they continuously do during product launches is they're going to freak out and panic when data comes in. And by that, what I mean is that you're not going to check the campaigns quickly enough to see if adjustment needs to be done. You're going to spend too much on things that don't work. Both stem from impatience and fear and greed. And it's interesting because this is the exact same characteristics that are stemming into everything. Investing, trading, whoever wants to make quickly a buck, they're going to have these feelings, these sentiments. So I think that because you're asking really good questions and I want to be super helpful regards that. So the mistake that I'm seeing them making repeatedly is they're getting emotional. So it's really important to not get emotional. Keep in mind that we're dealing with millions ad spend budgets on a daily basis. If I become emotional, like, oh my God, this is how much we spent and what is going to say the client and so on and so forth. And if I can keep my ground and explain to the client, this is what it's going to take, I am treating still your money as if mine. If I mess up, you don't have money to pay me and you are not going to see my value. That's why I'm treating your money as I would treat mine. It's really important to step back. This is also why whenever I'm answering, I'm trying to myself step back and not get emotional of the questions, but understand them. I have to zoom out for clarity. Zooming out for clarity is the one thing that is going to allow you to not make these mistakes.